Alright, I'll show you what I did here quick since I battery's done. So, if y'all ever have an ESC where your bullet pops out and you can't solder the damn thing back in, because I tried that 10 million times and I almost ruined my ESC because I was dremeling out the, well, I got the top on now. Anyway, I was dremeling out around where all the epoxy and crap is in there. That's getting loose, so I gotta tighten that back down. But anyway, dremeled all that little crap out around there, and then I drilled and tapped M4, M5, whatever, just a little bit into there, and then I put a connector on there and screwed it down, and the freaking thing works, man. So I just added a lead on with this bullet, with the bullet connector. Blah blah blah. It doesn't look super awesome, but it saved a freaking $200 ESC. So that's that. And we got this big sucker in here. That freaking motor's not even hot, man. Barely warm. I'm sure the ESC's hotter than shit. Oh yeah, she's hot. Anyway, so I just want to show you all that. I gotta walk way the hell down there. Alright, Fast as Eddie, peace out.